Augmented reality has reached consumers in the United States of America. Hi and welcome back to the channel. This is the NReal Lite, and starting from today, this is being sold in the US from Verizon for $599. And well, this is the first augmented reality headset for consumers. So NReal is ahead of Apple and ahead of Magic Leap and all the other companies when it comes to AR glasses. So in this video, I'm going to unbox this for you, I'm going to check it out for you, and I'm going to show you what $599 buys you. So absolutely stay tuned, watch the whole video, because all of this goodness is coming up. So good to have you back on the channel. My name is Sebastian Ang, and if you're excited about VR and AR, you're exactly right here, and you should absolutely subscribe to this channel and click on the bell button so that you don't miss anything. All right, but now let's check out what's in the box here. And the first thing that you see is this hard case, and I really like hard cases. So this is a nice one, and well, we'll find the NReal in this hard case. But first, let's check out what else can we find here. First of all, you'll find the manual, and well, there's a QR code which brings you exactly to the software that you will need. You will need the Nebula software for your Android device. Other than that, you will find these nose pieces here in different kind of sizes. So no matter what kind of size your nose has, you will find the right size that will make the NReal fit onto your face comfortably. Then also really important, this here. This is something that will block out the light. So for example, if you want to use your NReal in order to watch a movie and you don't want to see the outside world, you would use this one. And here, this is also really cool for people who wear glasses. You can simply put this onto your NReal and then you can use your own prescription. And I will show you that in a moment. But now let's take a closer look at the NReal Lite. Here it is. Very well secured here, and it's beautiful. It is a beautiful headset. Like if you compare this with the HoloLens, for example, or the Magic Leap, this form factor is much nicer. Here in the front, we have different kind of cameras that will take care of the 6 DOF tracking of the device. And well, let's look at this here at the front. And first of all, yes, we have to get rid of this protective foil, like always. Yeah, as you can see, it has a cable. This cable connects to your phone via USB-C. And other than that, you will find buttons here on the right side for the volume. And you can also find loudspeakers. As far as the screens are concerned, we're looking at 2080p micro OLED displays, and the picture is being reflected into the user's eyes. So that's what you can see, but you will also still see the area around you. And that's the special thing here about these AR glasses. If you need your own prescription lenses, this is how you put them on, magnetically, really nice. And I think it's great that they put them into the box. And now, it is simply time to try them out, and that's exactly what I'm going to do now. All right, and here it is, the NReal Lite, now also available in the United States of America, and this is what it looks like when you wear it. Definitely better than something like the HoloLens, and well, I would wear this in a train or in a plane. And what can you do with it? Well, here, this is the connection to your phone, and it's a USB connection, and you would plug it into your Android device. And on those phones that support it, and I told you which ones are these, then there is the MR Space. Okay, you can see it here. And with this MR Space, there are a couple of apps which would actually use the cameras and the tracking. So then you can open windows and you can surf in the web and you can put the different windows in different spaces in your place, and well, then you can have a first glimpse of what augmented reality will look like. Anyways, you can also do something called air casting, and then you would click another button here And I think this feature, honestly speaking, is actually the most useful functionality, this air casting, because what it does, it simply shows me now my phone screen in this kind of augmented reality. So now I have a huge Android device floating there, and it doesn't stay in space, right? It's like following my gaze, and I can simply do whatever I want to do. For example, I can start the YouTube app, and I can watch myself. I can watch myself here, and wow, it's huge. Let me turn down the volume here. So this is really nice. If you want to watch your Netflix, if you want to watch your YouTube on a huge virtual screen, right? This is really big. It's very enjoyable to watch it. Then you can do so. And inside here are micro OLED displays. So the colors are beautiful. There's no screen door effect whatsoever. It's a beautiful, beautiful picture quality. And well, now I can still look through the picture a bit, right? So I could still see my reality if I don't want to be cut off completely. I don't know. Probably I am sitting in that airplane and I still want to see the stewardess bring me like the food or what, then it's okay. I can use this mode. However, if I'm probably in a train and it's bright and this would be like detrimental to my viewing experience, I can put on this here. And then I have like the perfect picture, right? Then I have no light, which is coming in, and I can simply enjoy my Netflix or my YouTube or my whatsoever. So if you want to have whatever you see on your screen in huge, then this will give it to you, and I do like the form factor. So what is the video quality like? Well, let me simply put on this. And then let me simply film through the lens. And here we go, another MRTV through the lens video. And as you can tell, the picture quality is simply amazing. There's no screen door effect whatsoever. And of course, when you wear the headset, it's even better because you see the picture through both lenses. And here's only one. So this is a beautiful video floating in front of you in a huge virtual screen, a screen so big that is bigger than most televisions that you could buy. And you can bring that anywhere. So that's a big plus. And well, the picture, it is like floating in the air and it will follow your direction. So it's not stuck in one place. Some people might enjoy this. Some people might prefer the other way. But well, this is really a great video watching experience. So as you can tell, the quality is really nice and micro OLED is absolutely the way to go and it's going to be really big in 2022. So I also want to show you what you can do with that AR mode, with this mixed reality mode. And actually I did make a video when the NReal launched here in Germany, and I'm going to show you that part of the video now. Let me start this, and what I see right now, what you also see here now, this is Nebula. This is the operating system of the NReal. So here you can see the app icons of the apps that are on my phone, actually, of my Android apps. So you see here, there's YouTube, there's Facebook, there's Twitter, there's Chrome, all these things, and I can choose those icons with that laser beam that is coming out of my phone. So everything is being controlled with my phone, and well, the laser beam that's coming out there, everything is tracked in 3 degrees of freedom, so not 6 degrees of freedom. So if I do something like this with the phone, this is not being recognized. But I believe this is good enough, and if there's drift with that laser beam, I can long press on that icon and then it will correct again, and I think that is all right. Yeah, if I want to add more of my apps, I can do so by clicking the plus button, but I'm going to do that later first. So now let's first check out how this works. So let me open, for example, here YouTube. I click on it, and now I see the YouTube app, and I can position that in my room, in my studio here, and I'm going to position that here. And what I can also do, I can bring that closer to me, or I can bring that further away by using my thumb on my phone here. So that is pretty interesting, I would say. So for example, let me bring it here, make it a bit bigger. And yeah, this is like now a huge screen floating in front of my eyes. And with this size, this is way bigger than my screens that I'm using here. This is cool. With this size, I have it completely in the field of view of these headsets. So if I would make it bigger like this, it would clip, because then it's not in the field of view of this headset anymore. But like this is the field of view that I can see without a problem. And that is actually bigger than what I see with the HoloLens 2, but it cannot compare to a VR headset. But I think this is a great size already. This now fits into my field of view here, and if I'm satisfied with the position, yep, then it's like this, and it's now, I fixed it to the wall, and yeah, it stays there. So here I can watch a video, like this is my wife's channel, and let me play something. That's me. So if you want to see me speak Chinese, you can do that on my wife's channel. So let me also make that bigger. And yeah, I can simply tell you now about the quality of this. Let me stop this. Okay, there's advertisement. Yeah, of course. Yeah, I'm going to make my wife rich now by watching this. Let me stop that. So yeah, for the picture quality, I know it already because I've seen it before, and I also had the developer version. It's great. It's super crisp. The picture is super crisp. The colors are great. This is OLED colors, great blacks, great vibrant colors. And I can imagine myself to watch a movie like this without any problems. Yeah, rather than to watch it here on my phone, I can like watch it on this virtual screen here. And that is really cool. For the volume, I would say it is okay. Like if I am in a room like here where there's no other kind of noises, yeah. But if I was like outside in the bus or so, this would not be loud enough. Yeah, then I would need to wear some headphones or so, and I'm going to try this out for you in another video. But like this, if you're alone, it's fine. But again, the volume is not like super loud. Yeah, so now if I click here on the home button again on my phone, then the nebula will come up again, and I can add another window. For example, I can open Twitter, and now I can position the Twitter window here next to that, for example. And I can also use Twitter. Okay, my battery is under 40% now. Yeah, this is also something I have to check out for the actual review, like how long the battery will last. So I can simply use the Twitter with that laser beam here and with my touch screen. And yeah, Ben, hello Ben. So yeah, and I can use it. I can simply use it as if I would be using the Twitter app on my phone. Yeah, let me give you a heart here. Greetings to Ben from Road to VR. So as you can tell, this is pretty cool. However, I still see the biggest use case in watching videos. I don't think so many people are actually going to put those windows there. Well, you can. And well, this is a great glimpse of what will be possible, but I think the best use case really is that micro OLED watching of Netflix or YouTube or whatever you want. Now, is this compatible with the iPhone? As you can tell, this has a USB-C connection, so no, but well, with an adapter, I do believe actually this, at least the air casting should be possible. Anyways, this costs $599. It's available from Verizon right now. And if you want to be an early adopter in the mixed reality, in the AR space, now is your chance. For video watching, this definitely is already really useful. If it's worth it, $599 for you, this is something that you have to find out for yourself. All right, and that's everything that I got for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If yes, give it a thumbs up and do leave me a comment now for the algorithm. And do let me know what you think of the NReal Lite. Are you going to pick this up? Do let me know. Also, of course, if you have not yet subscribed to MRTV yet, then absolutely do that now. And now I'm looking forward to see you in the next episode.